80% of people learning machine learning in 2025 will never get a job or build anything real. If you don't want to waste months on pointless tutorials, here's exactly what to do, step by step. Break first, learn later. Forget understanding before coding. Reverse the process. Start by building something that barely works, then try to understand it. Find a simple machine learning project on GitHub and then clone it. Modify one part of the code until something breaks, then fix it. Use AI to learn ML. Ask ChatGPT to explain the broken code. Do not waste your time working on useless projects. Instead, go to Kaggle.com to find machine learning competitions you can attend. Learn like a hacker. Break things first, then learn why they broke. Python is basic. Use these. In 2025, Python alone won't make you stand out. That's why you should focus on these frameworks. TensorFlow, the most popular deep learning library, which is mostly used for powering image recognition models. PyTorch, a research-friendly deep learning framework used for AI research and rapid prototyping. Hugging Face, the best NLP and LLM toolkit. OpenAI API, quick access to powerful AI models such as ChatGPT. Python is basic. Deploy ML into browsers, games, or AI agents, and you're elite. Hack AI. The best ML engineers aren't just builders. They are hackers. They understand AI's limits and find ways to push past them. The best ChatGPT prompt? Simple. Start with clear instructions, then provide context. The best AI models on the market currently are OpenAI, Claude AI, and DeepSeek. Ditch courses. Do this. Courses are too slow. The smartest ML engineers don't take courses. They use these. This hands-on machine learning book is the best book to learn machine learning. On this archive website, you can find machine learning related papers. You should try to implement these papers into your own code to learn even better. Courses make you a student. Research makes you an innovator. Choose wisely. Build projects. You won't truly learn ML until you build real projects. Here is how to start. There are tens of thousands of datasets in Kaggle.com. Find a dataset and try to build an AI project that solves a real problem. Building projects is the fastest way to master ML. Stop learning ML like everyone else. If you do what everyone else does, you will always be replaceable.